Hello viewers, peace be upon you. It's me Mad and welcome to Mood Hack. Today we are gonna go to know an amazing place in Sri Lanka. It's called Nalangana Ella. I think it's about 5 kilometers far from Bulathkohupitiya town on Dolasbage Road. Here, this is Ella. I and my friends Asjad, Inchaf, Hafil and Hashif. We are on the way to Bulathkohupitiya. Well, Nalangana Ella is situated in Kegalle, Bulathkohupitiya in Sabarkam province. We stopped our journey for a little while here because of having some photographs. And we stopped our three-wheel to have some meals. Yes, this is Bulathkohupitiya town. When you look for the road, I should tell you something. The road is more attractive. And also you can easily find the road from Google Map too. I met one of my school friend Roshini and her siblings at Kegalle and then they became our travel guides. Falls are not directly visible from the road due to the trees that presence in the area. I would like to tell you something as I always mention in my previous videos. Please bring back your polythene waste and plastic waste with you. Don't destroy the nature by plastics and polythene waste. So please always consider about this. I think travelers need to hike for around 250 meters towards the river to get the first glimpse of the water. And the area also known for leeches, so you can take some safety precautions with you. It means some leech socks or something. A deep rock pool is situated at the base of the falls, so you are able to bath and swim. Travelers, keep in mind that beware the water level can increase rapidly. Don't visit this place during rainy days. If you like this video, please do like and keep sharing. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to Mood Hack. Thank you very much.